What's going on, everyone? DOESN here. My sincere apologies about the delays. Been dealing with a lot of things in life. I can't thank you enough for the constant support you guys have all been showing over the time. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. For today, we'll be talking about the HMX Sogurt Linear Switches from Unikey's. Coming in at $3.50 a pack, with each pack consisting of 10 switches. Now, I've been using them a lot over the last week, and I'm extremely pleased by their performance. A good combination of a smooth typing experience with a pleasant typing sound. These are linear switches designed by Milky Way Keys, coming with a new mold of L2, manufactured by HMX. The stem material consists of Li. Top housing is a PA12, bottom housing is a P4. They operate at 42 grams while bottoming out at 50 grams. Pre-travel of 2.0 millimeters, total traveling at 3.5 millimeters. The spring is a 22 millimeter KOS single stage extended, coming factory lubed. Knowing HMX, they strive for consistency, and with the molds it's not any different, offering some of the best molds in the hobby right now. But kicking things off, we do have our PA12 top housings. Li stems coming factory lubed on the legs and sliders. Our 22mm KOS single stage extended spring. And our P4 bottom housings lubed with the dry film on the leaves. The factory lubing on the Sogurt Linears are done exceptionally well, similar to all HMX switches, with each switch seeming consistent with sound and typing feel. Coming as a 5-pin PCB mount switch, we'll go ahead and take a listen. With the new molds on the Sogurt Linears from HMX, we can check the tolerances on things. With each new switch release, I feel HMX is doing better and better with their molds, becoming more and more consistent all around. As you can see, there's not much wobble happening here, so I'd imagine you can probably get away with going plateless using these. Testing keycaps on the stems, things seem to fit nice and flush. We are using Keykobo, which is an ABS keycap set, so do keep in mind things can vary depending on the keycap material and thickness themselves. HMX Sogurts. Cream lattes. And the OG cheese. For a sound test today, we're using the PT1 from Chase Kit Designs. Going top mount, no foams, Keykobo Machinist. Let's take a listen.